Are you ready to hit the road in Arizona? From the horizon spanning desert highways to the winding routes through mountainous greenery, your driving experience in the Grand Canyon State is as diverse as the scenery itself. But no matter where your daily travels take you, one thing remains constant: the need to keep your vehicle protected. We've got your back as we discuss how to get affordable car insurance in Arizona. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision. And the best part? You don't have to go far to get started. Head over to FreeAdvice.com to enter your zip code into our quote comparison tool and find quotes from top insurance providers in Arizona, making the process of shopping for insurance a breeze. So let's now hit the road to affordable coverage in the stunning state of Arizona. Let's get started. Arizona, known for its wide open roads and scenic drives, might just surprise you when it comes to auto insurance rates. Despite those clear skies and fantastic driving conditions, the cost of car insurance in Arizona hovers around the national average. Now you might be wondering why. Well, it's a bit more complex than meets the eye. From the specific auto insurance requirements set by the state to the bustling traffic in our cities, there are several factors at play. To get cheap auto insurance in Arizona, you need to understand the different factors that affect your rates, such as your age, marital status, gender, credit score, driving history, and even the type of car you drive. Where you live in Arizona can make a significant impact on your car insurance rates. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option, you'll want to meet the minimum insurance requirements set by the state. In Arizona, you need at least $25,000 per person for bodily injury, $50,000 per accident for bodily injury, and $15,000 per accident for property damage. If you're ready to take the next step, just visit FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code in our quote comparison tool to find car insurance rates that work best with your budget. But if you're still on the fence, stick around and let's keep this journey rolling. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what you're here for. When it comes to the cheapest minimum auto insurance in Arizona, we've uncovered the top contenders. Geico leads the pack with the lowest rates. For cheap minimum Arizona coverage, Geico stands out with a budget-friendly $70 a month. USAA charges just $2 more per month on average, but you will need a military affiliation to purchase car insurance with the company. It's essential to remember that minimum coverage could leave you with more out-of-pocket expenses if your car ever takes a hit. So, what's your next move? Head to FreeAdvice.com to easily compare quotes from the top insurance providers. It's the smart way to shop for insurance and secure the best deal for your Arizona adventures. Now, there's still much more to discover, especially if you're aiming for the most secure and affordable options. In Arizona, you can purchase comprehensive, collision, uninsured motorist, medical payments, rental car reimbursement, and even roadside assistance. Arizona full coverage auto insurance includes collision, comprehensive, plus the essential liability coverage. Sure, it might cost you a bit more than minimum insurance, but Arizona boasts some reasonable rates. When it comes to full coverage, Geico offers monthly rates at about $65. USAA's average cost for coverage is $2 cheaper per month, but you must have an affiliation with the military to purchase coverage with the company. State Farm and Progressive also offer competitive rates for full coverage car insurance, averaging $81 and $84 per month respectively. If you don't know whether you can afford full coverage, make your way to FreeAdvice.com. We have the tools to help you compare quotes from top insurance providers, making shopping for insurance easy. Ensure you're covered, protected, and ready to hit the road. As stated earlier, where you live in Arizona can significantly impact the amount you pay for your car insurance. Phoenix, Arizona auto insurance rates tend to be higher than in other areas, with heavy traffic on the I-10, more traffic-related incidents than the national average, and an above-average car theft rate. Drivers in Phoenix have some real challenges to contend with. Cities like Chandler, Gilbert, and Tucson offer more reasonable rates, making it a bit easier on the wallet. For example, while a 60-year-old male pays about $350 each month for all-state car insurance in Phoenix, someone with the same exact profile will only have to pay $275 a month in Tucson. That's $900 less a year. No matter which Arizona city you call home, there's one destination you need to check out. Visit FreeAdvice.com today to effortlessly compare quotes from top insurance providers, making it a breeze to shop for insurance and find the best rates. Don't miss out. Take the first step and visit FreeAdvice.com now. And with all of that, remember that to get the cheapest car insurance in Arizona, you need to do your own research. The best car insurance companies in Arizona aren't one size fits all. It all depends on your unique circumstances and preferences. You might want to jot down the qualities you're looking for in an insurance company and get quotes from the ones that match your criteria. If you're unsure where to begin, consider checking out Geico, State Farm, and Progressive. The real secret to saving big on your Arizona car insurance is all about the strategy. And the best part? It's a fairly simple process. Start by shopping around to compare Arizona auto insurance quotes from a handful of insurers to find the best price. Once you've done this, you need to decide which provider is best based on your unique needs and situation. The good news is that you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Just visit FreeAdvice.com and use our quote comparison tool. All you need is your zip code, and you'll instantly be presented with many options. You may qualify for discounts when shopping for car insurance. If so, you could save up to 30% on your auto insurance coverage each month. It's worth doing a little policy audit when it's time for renewal each year. You might discover additional ways to save, like adjusting your deductible, which can have a significant impact on your premium cost. So there you have it, your guide to scoring the cheapest car insurance in Arizona. It's all about strategy, and you've got the tools at your fingertips. All you need to do is visit FreeAdvice.com today. But before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insurance-related content. We've got your back with helpful information and expert advice to keep your insurance bills in check, no matter where you're from. You won't want to miss it. Are you an Arizona local with some insider knowledge? Be sure to leave a comment. You could be helping someone else on the hunt for insurance in the Grand Canyon state. And speaking of saving, check out our video on how to lower your car insurance bills. It's packed with money-saving tips that are applicable no matter which state you call home. Lastly, if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family members who are on the hunt for a new car insurance policy. Whether they're from Arizona or elsewhere, they'll thank you for it. Together, we can help each other on the road to financial savings. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you in the next video.